Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully fetch all the data from our JSON and also we successfully visible it in our blog page, right? So right now we don't need this. I just simply remove it, and also how can use it with the XJS. We using that XJS, we actually did that work. So now in particular that position, now in this video I want to discuss about if you want to put some of the another link in particular this component area and how can load another components. In this video I will show you that things with a live example. For doing this, that is our blog. So now go to our blog, that means the blog component, and here that is our all post is visible. So after this, here I want to take another button as a add new. So this type of one of the button I just simply added on here, and now if you click as a save all, so here I didn't add any link, so laterally I will add that link. So now here you can see it's now perfectly show our text as a add new. So here I didn't add any link, so now we have to actually add that link, right? So if you want to add that link, that is our blog page. So into the blog page here I want to put that link. So we did the same things, we did that link in our header. If you go to our header, into the header area, you can see I just put that link as a link to, and then some of the page. And then also if you want to use that link, you have to add that, input it. That means we have to input our this route link, right? Better I just simply copy it. So right now I want to use that link in our particular this blog page. So here first of all you have to import it. So I just simply import it. So here we don't need to use that route or the switch routes. Here I only want to take only one, that means the link. So I just simply added that link. Okay, I just only need that part. And also now I want to put that link, that means here. And also I want to create another component. Better I want to create another component as a write post. Okay, write and then post dot jsx, right? So I just simply create another component. So this component will be just like, better I just simply copy it. Okay, that means the profile I just copy it, and now I just simply paste it. It should be as a write post component. So that will be another component. So I just simply add it. So now here I want to put that link. That means that is actually our link. That is our link. So now if you go to our better header, into the header I have already used it. So better I want to use this link, that means the link to. So I just simply copy it. So I just simply copy everything from here. Now go to our blog. So here I want to put that link. I want to put that link in our this button area, that means the link to. And also here after this we have to finish it. That means we have to finish that link, right? So now here I have already created another component. So our component I have created as a write post. So I just name it as a write post, right? So that is our write post. And also they have some of the error. Let's check this out, what exactly that error are. So unexpected these are 4, that means it's actually getting that some of the error on here. Input browse, better I want to actually copy everything just like that same. Actually is getting some of the error, so better here. That means I just copy everything from our header. Just simply copy it, and now here you can see there is actually one of the plus sign. Maybe I added some of the plus sign, for the reasons actually is getting that error. Actually I just simply remove it. Yeah, you can see it's now totally gone. Our error is also gone. So it's okay. So they have actually, maybe I press some of the plus sign, so for the reasons actually is getting this error. So right now it's okay. So now I am actually using that link. And also so here that is our link to, and here I added as a write post, that means that will be our path, but I didn't define any path, right? So we have to add this path. So we add this part in our header, that means in our header.js. So into the header.jsx, here you can see I just simply added our all that switch. So here I have to create one of the another route for this one. So better I want to actually create another route. So I just simply copy it, and here I just simply add it. So that will be a route path. So route path will be, I have created as a this one will be as a write post, right? So I just simply added that right post, and also I have created our path. So here also we have to load it. That means that is our right post. So better I just simply input it. So I just simply input I just name it as a right post. Right post. So I just simply name it as a right post. In our component, I have created our this component as a right post. Okay, that is actually our right post. So now I want to actually use our this component. So this one, so I just simply copy it, and now here I simply load our this path. I hope you can well understand about it, friends. So that is our route I have created. That is our route post, and into the route post area, I just simply loaded our this component that I have created. That is our right post, right? So now let's check this out. If everything okay, it should be work. Click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, so here that is actually not getting any link. So I already put that link. That means here I have put that link to our this component as a add new, and also I added our browser router as link. So better I want to actually change it. I want to actually copy it. Okay, I just take to total one. I just simply copy it from our header, and then here I just simply update that part. So here I added that router, switch router, and the link. Now let's check this out. I just click the save all, and now I just refresh it again. Yes, you can see actually now it's actually getting that link. So now if you click as a here, yes, you can see it's now perfectly redirected to our right post. That means that is our clear path, and into this path area I have loaded our this component. So that is our this right post component, right? So now everything is actually perfectly working. So into the head area I have simply load our input, our this right post, and also I created one of the paths. So that is our path as a right post path, and here I added our this component. That means here I load our this component, and that is actually our component, right, friends? So now you can see it's now perfectly redirected to our this path. Go to that block, click as add new. Yeah, without loading that page, it's now perfectly redirected to this page. So I hope it's very much clear to you how can add some of the link, and also how can load another component, in particular that page that is also one of the component. Into the component area I loaded another component, right? So it's now perfectly loaded. So in our next video here I want to create one of the form, and from to the form area how can insert this data. So right now, friend, I don't have any database, right? So previously I have already get all the data with using that our JSON, and with the JSON fake API with here. From here we get all that our data and fetch that data and visible it on here. But right now I want to actually show all that mechanism. If you want to insert some of the data when we'll create one of the project, and with the project area when we'll using some of the backend language as a Laravel, so then we'll insert this data with using some of the backend language to the database, right? So right now I also want to share with you how that component actually work. So for the reasons here I want to create one of the form, and in particular that area I want to load one of the form, and from to the form area how can insert that data. So all that mechanism I will show you. Okay, later we will actually apply that things in our real project. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.